channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're a little doll baby.
Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll
baby. Hi.
What? Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a special collab video. I am working with a new company and I'm going to tell you all about them, but before I get started, this is Jenna Collections Taylor. I have a video on her from a while ago, but I am actually revisiting some oldies but goodies, and this is one of them. So you should see a video up on Taylor soon. And I'm wearing some new lashes. These are the Velour Live-In lashes. Premium synthetic lashes. They come in a box like this. I got them from Marshall's for $7.99. It says they're vegan and cruelty free. I love this style. I wanted to share. Okay, so I am working with a new company called Nail Addict, and they have they're vegan, cruelty-free gel nail polishes. Now, if you have been on my channel at all, I usually exclusively wear either Kiss press-on nails or the Kiss glue-ons, and I have a playlist about all the things that in terms of press-on nails. I've been wearing them for years. I absolutely love them. I only more recently in the last year or two moved to the glue-on. I used to only use press-on for like 10 years. But I am noticing that my nails, these are my natural nails, are
struggling.
Okay, so when they approached me, I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to try them out. It's a LA-based company. For me to try them out, and you're going to see several videos on this coming up. I'll leave all the deets down below because there's like discount codes and things like that that are really awesome that you can use. But I want to do the unboxing so that I can decide like which, nail I want to use and everything like that. I am the true at-home DIY new to this. I have not painted my nails with even regular nail polish for at least 4 years. So this is going to be a learning experience for both of us. I'm really excited. So you will know what it's like for someone who has not done this before, and I will give you all the deets. So the first thing that they sent me was this mini UV LED lamp, one setting. This is like, because you need to use a UV lamp to cure the nail polish. So they did send me this because since I don't do this at all, I had no idea what I would need. I have been looking at a couple YouTube channels that are, specialize in nails and gel nails. So I will leave links down below in all the videos of the channels that I watched. One of them was Oh My Gel. She's a professional nail artist, natural nails. So I learned a lot from her channel. So I do want to shout them out and give them a link because I'm not a professional nail artist. So exciting, it's like Christmas Day, hey! Oh, look at that. Look at all of that, look at all that. That is awesome. That's probably the one thing that you'd be, afraid of, because nail polish, you don't want it to break. Woo! Okay, so the first color I got is, I don't have my glasses on. Yikes. It says this is Soak Off Gel Polish. I will definitely do some more research and link everything I research because I don't know a lot about this. The first one is called, this one is called You're a Beauty. And it is sort of this beautiful pumpkin-y caramel color. And they have the nail polish right on the tip so you can really see what color it is. So that's You're a Beauty. Okay. The next one is White Addict. And that's obviously a white color. I love white nails, so that's really exciting for me. The next one is a sparkle color, and this is called Hollywood Moonlight. I'll also put in pictures of what they look like on the website. This is sort of like an, the blue, brown, color shifting, silky nail polish. Next we have Eclipse. Ooh, yeah. This one is sort of a dark teal brown color. They sent me 6 altogether. The next one is another green. This is an army green. I love green. And it's coming up on fall, so it's an army green, and this is Wonderland. And the last one is sort of a dark mauvey, dark mauvey color called Mistress. Okay, so that is what I got. I don't see like a top coat or anything, which I think you're supposed to use. So when I come back and try it out for the first time, I may use a top coat, do some more research on it. This is definitely very green. I'm really excited because I've never used this type of stuff before. I'm just hoping that it's going to like help my nails a little bit more and give it a break from my glue on and press on nails. But I think I'm either going to go with this color here, Wonderland, or You're a Beauty. I want to thank Nail Addict for wanting to partner with me and send me this. It's coming at a perfect time because, like I said, I do need to take a break. And I have been such an advocate for press on nails and glue on nails. They're not bad. It's just you should take a break, and I haven't. So I am happy that I can take a break and start using these. So you will see more videos. I will come back where I'm going to apply the first coat. I will do some research. I'm going to put it down below. And then I will do an update one and maybe show you some other colors that I've applied. So if you like these types of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, you're my doll baby, and you know I appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!